this morning. I have all the boys with me, and Tim is in our other car taking some dressers to his sister's new house. So today's a busy day, at least for Tim. He is helping not only his sister's move, but also his brother move. So he's just going to be moving stuff all day, basically. And I am going to have the kids all day, and I woke up with a bit of a cold. And so I'm just going to try to not wear myself out completely. It's a busy day, you know, lots of people moving, and the saddest thing is it's raining. They're all moving today. Everyone that's moving in our family right now is moving today, and it is raining. So I feel really bad that it's kind of a sucky way to move, but that's just how it works sometimes. Sometimes the weather doesn't agree. I'm gonna make dinner tonight. It's gonna be a chicken dish. So I have angel hair pasta and some butter, some tomatoes, an onion, some mushrooms, and over there in a bowl there's some chicken thigh. And I am gonna, Tim's picking up some Marsala wine on the way home to cook all these in, to put on the pasta and serve with the chicken. So as soon as he gets here, I can make yummy dinners. Have fun. He loves it. Do you love that bike? You're silly goose, baby.
There are several light-studded digit plates on.
Is it yummy? Mm-hmm. What do you think of your dinner, Jack? Mister, I'm not gonna try it. That's what he told me when I was cooking.
But it smelled like chicken beef.
Chicken beef? But aren't you glad you tried it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bryke, it's time for bed.
No, come it.
Can I help you get your jammies on?
No, come.
Please?
Yeah, come it.
Can you wear pirate jammies? Biker, can you have pirate jammies on? Can you wear your monkey jammies? Can you wear your Lightning McQueen jammies? No queens? Okay, can you wear your Mario jammies? Mario jammies? Go. Whoa, that was pretty cool.
I'm gonna try again. Right here.
Oh, hi, buddy. Hi. Oh, thank you.
Watch
Your
this.
loves, thank you.
Now watch this.
Oh, wow. Don't you throw that at anyone. Tyrese.
No.
Good job, Breaker.
No,
He's such a tease. Your boot is fine.
He'll bite it and break it.
He's our puppy. He always eats shoes.
He's not a puppy.
Yeah,
kid.
he does what a puppy does, though. He chews on shoes. Okay, go, Breaker, go. Ready, jump.
Jump! Yeah! That's cool. Hey!
Good job.
Well done, huh?
Thank you.
I guess that's good enough.
Where's the airplane, Breaker? Where's the airplane? Look, where's the airplane? Where is it? Where's the airplane?
Airplane!
Airplane! Do you like that book?